If you're looking for a new grill, make sure you check out the Monument Grill's Mesa II, the new 2 series, Mesa II, the 415BZ. This has the broil zone. You get that extended heat, super hot. You got the side burner, make your sauce, your glaze, your beans, your rice, any of those kind of things. The inside grill gets plenty hot, and that's what you want. So let's light this grill up and see what it can do.
Guys, this grill is easy to set up. It's fast and powerful. The main cooking area has 405 square inches. The 4 main burners total 37,000 BTUs. 2 on the left are 8,500 and the 2 on the right are over 10,000, and the side burner is 12,000.
All right, guys, so first things first, let's go ahead and do a burn off. You want to turn them on, let them go 3 to 5 minutes, burn off any of those packaging oils and get that temperature up, and let's get ready to cook. All right, guys, let's take a peek and see where we're at 500 degrees. You can see those infrared burners. That's in your broil zone. You can see them kicking up. That's going to be your hot spot right there, intentionally. So you'll probably want to start a steak over there, finish it over there. All right, so for this cook, let's cook some pork chops. We've got some sausage, season our pork chops. Now that our grill is preheated, let's go throw them on the grill. So we're at 650 degrees right here on the temperature gauge. Let's hit it with a little bit of cooking spray. We've got our sausage, got our pork chops. We've also got some veggies. The Mesa II 415BZ is a strong value pick and well-designed gas grill made for small families and everyday home use. And it would be a perfect gift for a starter grill. One of the great things about this grill is the ease of startup. You know, it was easy to put together. You can put it together in about an hour. It's very fast and powerful heating. One of the things that Monument Grills is great at and known for is hot and fast. The cool thing about this new version is the expandable storage via the DIY pegboard system. So some of the product features, you've got a cooking grate with wide cast iron grates. The main cooking area is 405 square inches. There are 4 main burners delivering more than 37,000 BTUs in total. The 2 on the left deliver 8,500 BTUs, while the 2 on the right, that's the broil zone, crank it up to 10,000 BTUs. And that side burner is no slouch. The side burner has 12,000 BTUs. As you can see on these pork chops, they're starting to get moist up on top. It's time to give them a flip. We'll slide these onions over as well. Let's give that sausage a flip. Let's move these squash up here to the top. So now that our pork chops are almost done, let's go ahead and we'll make a fig balsamic glaze to pour on them. I've got a fig marmalade. We'll grab a few spoons of that. And then we'll take some balsamic vinegar and add that in. This is going to help to loosen up the jelly, and you just want that to melt together and reduce. And very quickly, your sauce has come together. Let's turn that off. We've got our pork chops. You can tell they're done because they are weeping on the top. We'll take our pork chop and we'll run it through the glaze. We'll do that for each one of these. And there's your pork chop with your glaze. Delicious. We can go ahead and move these vegetables down here. That's money. So over here on this side, you got some mirlitons. These are chayote squash. Cajuns call them mirlitons. The whole thing is edible. The skin, there's like a seed that rolls through the middle. All of that portion is edible. You see that little seed right there? You can eat it all. All right, let's see if we can toast some bread up here. All right, so we got some charring on our vegetables. I can smell these onions, nice and charred. Let's see these vegetables. Let's check the bread. All right, we're getting a little toast on it. Let's flip this sausage. All right, we're almost up to cooking temperature on that. Our sausage looks well cooked. So does our squash. Now we'll take our toast. Let's turn our grill off. We'll let our food rest for a minute and we'll have a taste. All right, guys, so let's check out these pork chops. Got that glaze on it, got some char on it. Let's give it a taste. Wow. Talk about a flavor explosion. You've got the char on the pork chop, the seasoning. Then you've got the glaze of the fig that gives you the sweetness. And then you've got the acidity of the balsamic that comes through, cleans it all up, makes your flavor jets fire, ready for another bite. That's a winner. Let's try the next dish. All right, we've got our toast. We've got our sausage here. Doesn't that look good? Let's give it a taste. You can see the beautiful caramelization on the bread. Nice toast. That sausage is crispy on the outside, moist and meaty on the inside. If you're looking for a new grill, make sure you check out the Monument Grill's Mesa II, the new 2 series, Mesa II, the 415BZ. This has the broil zone. You get that extended heat, super hot. You got the side burner, make your sauce, your glaze, your beans, your rice, any of those kind of things. And the inside grill gets plenty hot, and that's what you want when you're grilling. Like I said, Monument Grills is really good at hot and fast, and that's what you want because you get those great caramelization flavors. The Maillard reaction doesn't happen at low temperatures, happens at high temperatures, and it tastes delicious. Make sure you check it out right here at the Chef's Backyard. We'll see you soon. Make sure you check out more episodes, more videos to come. We'll see you soon. Peace and love.